So guys, all you need to make this fondant coloring are a pair of gloves, shortening, powdered sugar, food coloring, fondant, a rolling pin, and a mat. So the purpose for the gloves is to ensure that the food coloring does not stick to your hands. The reason for the shortening is to make the fondant more softer, because you know that the fondant is a bit thick, so you don't want to work with a thick fondant, because the thicker the fondant, the harder it is to handle. You want it to get soft and moist, and the purpose for the shortening is to place on top of the mat so that the fondant does not stick to the mat. So as you all can see, I add some shortening to my hands first before I start to roll the fondant in my hand so that it gets soft and moist. And after I roll this into the texture that I wanted it, I added my coloring, which you all will see in a minute. So make sure you roll it according to how you wanted it. So it depends on how soft you want the fondant to be. Just ensure that you don't make it too soft. So if you're going to use the rolling pin to roll out the fondant, all you have to do is to add some of the powdered sugar to the rolling pin before I start rolling out the fondant. So right here, I added a dab of red food coloring to my fondant after divided it into small pieces. I roll it up so that the color can get incorporated into the fondant. As you all can see, it is getting lighter with the food coloring, and it depends on how bright you want the fondant to be, so you will add as much as you want on your fondant. So it depends on how light you want it to be or how dark you want it to be. So I didn't like how it looked after one dab, so I went in with a second dab of the food coloring and roll it. As you all can see, it is getting lighter and lighter, but this is how I wanted it. All you have to do is just continue to add food coloring until you get it to the desired look. So guys, this is how my fondant turned out. I did the rest off camera because I didn't need to show you guys the process over and over again. All you need to do is to repeat the previous process for the remaining colors. So this is what they look like. And I made some roses and some leaves with it, and I will show you guys that in the next video. So thank you all for watching, and please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and to tell your friends and loved ones about Willa's Kitchen YouTube channel. I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.